Currently, our smartphone looks quite primitive. Let's add some realism by rounding its edges with the Fillet command. But first, let's hide unneeded bodies. We'll hide the spline, we won't need it anymore. Now select the Fillet Edge command, and in the opened window, we will set the radius of our future fillet, for example, 10 mm. Fillet type. Whether we will be rounding one edge, or we will be rounding all edges of one face at once. First, we select one edge and click through the edges at the corners of our smartphone. When selecting an edge, preview lines appear, allowing us to assess the command's consequences with the given radius. For instance, if we change the radius to 20, the preview lines will also change and show us the result of our command. Let's return to a radius of 10 and complete the command by clicking OK. I think it looks much better. Let's repeat the Fillet command. Change the radius to 2.5, and this time select all edges of the selected face. Specify the bottom face of our smartphone as the reference, and as we see by the preview lines, all edges belonging to this face will be rounded. Complete the command. Now the lower edges of our smartphone are rounded, and it will be much more comfortable to hold in the hand. The next command, working similarly to rounding, is creating chamfers. Let's use it. Similar to creating fillets, we can choose to select single edge or select all edges from specified edge. Also, in the command menu, different options for specifying the size of the chamfer are available. Equal distances from both faces, distance and angle from specified face, or two distances. Let's choose distance and angle from specified face. We select a distance of 1.5 and an angle, say, 30 degrees. Then select the top face of your smartphone and its edge, and the preview lines appear. Finish the command by clicking OK. Now our former brick has become much more presentable, and more resembles a modern smartphone on a wireless charger. This concludes the lesson dedicated to parametric modeling. In the next lesson, we will study sheet modeling. Move on to it when you are ready. Thank you for your attention.